LTC, we start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, we want to see what we have been looking for. Since the price was exactly within this range, we have been looking to see the breakout of the 130, and we come up with the 147. We mentioned we can expect to see the correction. This is what we get because we see the price couldn't break. All right. Anyway, we don't need these lines anymore. And what we are looking for, we want to see whether, because we get this correction, we had this correction for most of the charts. All right, now we get this move. First we want to see the breakout of the previous stop, which is 147. Okay, now the question is whether we can look for buy within this range or not. For me, I prefer to see the breakout of the previous stop before we look for buy. All right, and for those traders who will get the trade for buy within this range, at least book some profit. The reason is if we see the breakout of this top, mostly we'll have a divergence. Okay, the reasons we want to see how sharp the price can break, because how about if the price tag, then we see the start to make give us a correction, then we have to care about the divergence, even if, I mean, if at that time we have a divergence. That's why we prefer to see the breakout of this top before we look for buy. And even if you want to look for buy within this range, based on daily forward, I don't think we can get the trade set up. Okay. At this point, whoever get the trade for buy within this range, at least book some profit if they can. And if we move to lower time frame, we don't see any trade setup as I explained based on daily chart. And if we move to 1 hour chart, all right. The only way to look for buy, as I mentioned, based on lower time frame, 1 hour or lower, all right. Then first of all, as I explained earlier, we prefer to see the breakout of 147 before we take the trade. But if anyone wants to look for buy from here, either based on 1 hour or lower time frame, they can look at this one as a flag. The only option is to put the entry above the top. And what they want to price sharply tag, break, and continue. That means any trade at this point we consider as a short term. That means as long as we get into the profit, move our stop loss to break even, similar to any of this. Okay, because if we get one move, then we can expect to see the next flag. All right, then it doesn't mean we cannot look for buy. We can look for trade from here even. The only thing is we have to monitor it, and if there is no breakout or it start to give us a continuation as a corrective following by divergence, this is where we have to know how to manage the trade in case there is a reversal. All right, then what we have been looking for, if we move to higher time frame monthly chart, since the price was within here, we have been looking for 130. Now we see the breakout of 130, the continuation. The next one I'm looking for is 1823, 182, following by 225. Then from there we can look for all-time high. Okay, and this is the things we have been looking for, and I don't think anything else to discuss. The only thing is we are looking to see the breakout of the 147, which is the previous top. Okay, then we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.